welcome to FOREO Friday. So Kristina and Tamara and me are here again and we talk about Grammys. So,
Yes.
have you seen outfits and everything else that's on the Grammys?
I've seen a couple of them. I don't think that I've catched all of them. But the ones that I did are really, really fabulous.
Mm-hmm.
And the one that I loved the most was, of course, Paris. Did you see what she wore?
I loved everything. I mean, I love Paris. Paris is like icon. And everything she wears is extra. I mean, not everything, but something needs to be extra on her.
Mm.
And I really love her style, and she seems so carefree and like casual. I don't know how it's possible to look casual when you are on a Grammys and you're like in the long dress and everything, but she's like, I like her vibe.
Glamorously casual.
Yeah, I like her vibe. Like it's so positive.
Yes, I agree.
And if you have to compare Grammys and Oscars,
Oh.
which one is
Honestly,
your?
I always like more the fashion of Grammys because it's more extra, it's more relaxed but fun. Oscars are usually way too glamorous, so it's kind of boring for me to be honest. But Grammys, that red carpet is always top notch. It's more fun.
Okay, yes,
And
I agree. I agree.
Did you see what Paris brought to the red carpet? With
I think you mean on her handbag.
Yes, exactly.
I loved her handbag. I mean, I love martini, so because of that, it's like obvious that I will love her handbag. So, what do you think of it?
The handbag is really, really fabulous. I would not mind to have something like that in my closet, to be honest. I mean, the shape itself and the materials and like the color grading, it's just perfect. And it's so fun.
Yeah,
I really miss this fun type of bags.
And it has like Sex and the City vibe.
Oh,
Carrie and-
yes, of course.
So
Totally.
I really love it, and I love that it's made of Swarovski crystals. Like it's so Paris.
Yes.
I don't know what would be much
Her DNA is probably
Swarovski.
like the D in her DNA is diamonds.
Okay, and next question is, what do you think what fits inside that bag?
Inside that bag, I'm sure, you know, Paris really loves her iris, and I'm sure the iris can fit just right in that bag. And it's great to have it at long ceremony, long award nights. When, let's be honest, if you are watching 3 hours of people getting awards and thank you notes, you really kind of want to fall asleep. And then you need to look presentable, so you know why just not take off your little vibrator, as she calls it.
It would be so cool to have photo or video of Paris in the audience with like treating her eye bags.
Like not a care in the world with her. Yes.
Do you use iris?
Actually, I do. I really love to apply my eye cream with it. It's nicer, it's more easy, and I know that a lot of people just use it like this.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that is how you should use it. But you know what? Sometimes I have headaches, and if I massage this part, like here, it looks funny, but it really helps. It's quite soothing, to be honest.
I'm not really sure that we should recommend this. Is this the right way?
I don't think it is, but I find it soothing and really relaxing. But
Thanks God nobody needs to approve this before it goes live.
But I did saw Gemma Chen. She also used it like that. So I got this tip from her actually, and I agree. She also said it's soothing. If you get a headache, it kind of helps, and it really does. I'm not sure what's inside here, but
yeah,
I mean
when you have the facial massages and everything, and then you have some spots they treat. So it's like here, I think it's the sinuses or something like
probably.
that, and under the eyebrows, and they have like those spots that like feel good when they treat it. And about iris, I love to use it on my neck.
On your neck?
Yes.
Can you show me?
Of course. So, I love that sound. So you just go like this, and it relaxes the neck muscles. And a headache can often be because of the tension in the neck muscles.
True.
And then when you treat them like this and go in upward motions, it can relax your neck.
Can you imagine like Paris getting a headache and being extra as she is, opens her martini bag with Swarovski crystals and pulls up Iris and just like, oh, you guys are so boring. I'm just gonna relax.
Believe me, I can imagine her, and I hope we'll see it.
Yeah, as well.
Okay, so I think that we covered our Grammys topic. If you have more questions about Iris, our beautiful device that will help you get rid of your eye bags,
oh, sure.
leave questions in comments, and see you next Friday. Bye bye.